Hi, everybody. We will be doing this presentation on punctuation. This will be presented by myself, Ashley, Vanny, and Maria. So why is punctuation important? Punctuation enables writers to convey clarity, nuances, feelings, pauses, and voice in their sentences. Punctuation is a useful tool that can enhance your writing, and there are choices in how much punctuation you use. The more punctuation in a sentence, the slower the reader reads the sentence. So what kind of punctuation are there? There is end or external marks that end a sentence. There's beginning or internal punctuations that fall within a sentence. To be exact, there are 3 external punctuation marks and 11 internal punctuation marks. So let's begin with the external punctuation marks. If you look at that sign, because they didn't put any, it reads as, "We remember all who have served hot breakfast." It's kind of funny. Anyway, so starting with the period. You need to use this when you want to convey the completion of a thought. Example, Mary has come home from the store. It is also used to mark the end of a fragment or entries in a bulleted list. Example, Mary Schumer, Lee Grant, and Larry Johnson from Caltech. Now there's also the question mark. The question mark always indicates a direct question. Example, is Mary back from the store yet? Question marks can be used as internal punctuations for emphasis. Example, did Mary buy lettuce, carrots, onions? Note, rhetorical or indirect questions do not end with a question mark. Now let's move on to the exclamation point. This is used to express emotion and feelings in dialogue. Joy, anger, excitement, etc. Example, play ball. Exclamation points do not express sadness or tragedy. Exclamation points call attention to and emphasize a statement. Be careful though, too many can weaken your writing. So now I want you to go ahead and just watch this funny video with Seinfeld about the exclamation point. I don't know that it's going to automatically play, so you'll just need to go ahead and hit the play button. Okay, hopefully everyone had a chance to watch that video. Now moving on. So fragments. What is a fragment? It is a one word or a group of words that does not contain a subject and a verb. The three end punctuations discussed are okay to use with fragments. Example, no with a period, no with an exclamation point, and no with a question mark. Internal punctuation. So to begin with, there's two different types here. Open punctuation, which is using a few internal punctuation marks as possible in sentences. The internal punctuation is absolutely necessary. The other type is closed punctuation. This is using every internal punctuation mark that can be justified by a punctuation principle. So to note, it is best to use one or the other and not to combine. Example of what not to do. First paragraph, open punctuation. Second paragraph, closed punctuation. So it definitely needs to be uniform throughout your writing. Now, commas. So, commas are the most widely used of internal punctuation. Commas help to clarify ideas and sentences and add nuances, feelings, and voice to sentences. Note, commas are not used when you take a breath while reading necessarily. Also, never use a comma in between the subject and the verb in the sentence. There are 6 different types of commas. The first is the series comma. This is used when a series of 2 or more items occur in a sentence. You can choose to use this comma or you can choose not to. The second one is compound sentence comma. This is used to separate 2 independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. Example, Mary went to the store and bought lemons.